Hey there, have you ever noticed how Africa grows the best cocoa but imports chocolate? We export bananas but buy back banana snacks at triple the price. That's not just unfair, it's costing us jobs, wealth, and opportunities. I'm Christine Gakeni, and today I'm breaking down 7 powerful reasons why Africa must stop exporting raw materials and start adding value right here at home. Let's dive in. Reason 1. Exporting raw equals exporting jobs. Every time we ship out unprocessed tea, coffee, or minerals, we are not just exporting products, we are exporting jobs. The factories that roast, grind, package, and brand, those are not in Africa. Imagine growing the best coffee in the world but never tasting the profits. Will you give someone else your paycheck before cashing it? Yeah, that's what we are doing. Reason 2. Africa's youth need industries. Africa has the youngest population on earth. Every year, millions of young people enter the job market. So where are the agro-processing jobs? Where are the local factories? Now picture this. Instead of just selling cassava roots, we process them into cassava flour. Instead of just selling bananas, we process them to banana flour, banana powder, or even crisps. Instant jobs, local brands, national pride. Reason 3. Value addition means higher profits. Here's the money part. Raw mango is 20 shillings, while mango juice in a branded bottle is around 250 shillings. It's not just about growing, it's about owning the process. We need to stop selling the tree and start selling the juice. Reason 4. We keep donating what we could sell. You ever wondered how we are still receiving food aid when we grow the food? We donate maize, cassava, beans, but can't package, preserve, and sell them ourselves. That's not a food crisis. That's a value crisis. Africa can feed itself and the world, but we need to process, brand, and profit. Reason 5. It builds Africa's brands. Why isn't there a proudly African chocolate bar in every store globally? Where is Africa's brands? Our farmers are global suppliers, but our businesses, they don't get global recognition. Let's change that. What's one local product you think should go global? Drop it in the comments. Reason 6. It stops wealth drain. Think of this. Every raw product that leaves Africa takes potential wealth with it. Then that same product comes back to us, more expensive, branded, and with someone else's profit. Let's flip the script. We should export finished goods proudly made in Africa by Africans. Reason 7. It's the path to economic freedom. Let me say this clearly. No country ever became rich just by exporting raw materials. They became rich by processing, manufacturing, and owning their brands. We've got the land, the talent, and the resources. Now we need to build industries. So let's recap real quick. Value addition means more jobs. It gives Africa's youth a future. It brings higher profits. It reduces dependency. It builds brands. It keeps wealth inside and leads to true economic freedom. Africa is ready. We've done the farming. Now let's do the branding, the packaging, the selling, and the winning. If this message fired you up even a little, smash that like button, subscribe for more Africa-centered content, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Question of the day. What's one African product you think we should add value to right here at home? Drop it in the comments and replying to all of them. See you in the next one. Bye!